Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. I got another case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. And this case is made by Ringke. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so this is the Ringke Fusion X case designed for the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Now this case is $7.99 on Prime, and that's a good price because this is a really good case. Let me make this picture a little larger. You can see you got these cutting edge design there, and it offers a lot of protection. I've dropped my Pixel with this device, and as it bounces around, it works pretty well. So good drop protection and scratch protection as well. Raised bezel is going to protect your screen. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this out of the wrapper. Eco package here. This Ringke is pretty common with them. Plastic wrapper. It's got some material inside there. We don't need that. Put that to the side. And here's the case. As you can see, I'm gonna pull this plastic off. Give me a second here. Okay, so here's the case with the plastic off. Pretty clear. You can see through it. You got this edgy design here, but it offers a lot of grip. I like about this case. And you got a raised camera area right here. You got some, a little bit, it's not as smooth on the back, but it does offer a lot of grip and a lot of protection. The corners are bolstered, and you can see, and it does bounce around. It protects really well. You got a raised lip here, raised lip area. Now you have a cutout for the charging port, the mic, and the speaker. You got a lanyard cutout right there, Ringke branding right there. And you got your power button, your multi-purpose button right there, and your volume up and down rocker. And you got your mic right there, mic hole. You got you got another lanyard slot on this side right here, but pretty industrial design, and it works really well. Let's go ahead and put the Galaxy S20 Ultra inside. Okay, here's the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Let's go ahead and put it inside right there. All right, like I said, very slim. You can still get your hand around here, no problem. Nice protection for the camera. It's gonna sit down, make it sit a lot better, not as much rocking. Great grip, excellent grip. When you drop this, it's gonna bounce around. Believe me, it's gonna protect your device. I've done it before. Now you can see the lip is raised up right there, so you're gonna get protection there. And you got coverage on the side right there as well. Everything lines up pretty good, as you can see. No discrepancies there. You got your mic hole, your charging port, and your button right there. I mean, your speaker, but everything lines up. You see the mic hole right there as well. So looks pretty good. This is going to be a good case for you for $7.99 if you want it. And it might not stay that way, so you want to get it quickly if you're thinking about if you got this device or any new device. You want to get that right now, any S20 device. But this is a nice case. And I use this the most because that offers the most protection, and it's lightweight and it's not as bulky. Now, wireless charge will work with this case. I've used them before, so no problem there. I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Ringke Fusion X case for the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G. Now, great case, great price, and it's going to offer good protection. If you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ. Out.